Hi guys, my name's Rachel and thanks for visiting my hospitality technology website. Today I'm going to talk about the roles of AIs and robots in the hotel industry specifically. The first one I'd like to talk about is a robot named Connie that Hilton Hotels has created. This is Connie. She's super cute. And she is a artificial intelligence robot that can do things like hand out room keys, answer questions, and she uses a cloud-based technology. So someone inputs her basic information basically from somewhere else, and it goes into her server, and she can talk to guests and customers, and she with the information that they talk about or the questions that they ask, she adapts to that knowledge and can produce feedback and send it back to the computers and wherever she gets that information from to be able to better answer questions in the future. Another robot that is very similar to her that is being put out into the hotel industry is Mario. He looks very similar to Connie. Um, Mario was first showcased at the ITB convention. It's the largest tourist convention in the world. It is held in Berlin, and this robot is super cute. He can sing and dance, put on a show. He's super personable and he can hand out room keys. He too adapts to the conversations and the knowledge that he builds on. So he's not technically smart, but he is also very smart from the knowledge that is inputted into him. He can also do things like read a PowerPoint for a business meeting, lots of other helpful little things. And then the last one I'm going to talk about is named Chihira. She is at hotels in Japan. Japan actually has a all robot hotel. Um, a lot of people respond to this better, I think, because she looks more like a human. She can give out room keys, tell you other information about the hotel, and she's uh, in a lot of hotels that are more modernized. Like, for instance, there are hotels in Japan that use facial recognition to check in guests. Um, This specific robot can hand out like a room key, things like that. But some people now have room keys on their phone. Like it's becoming a lot more mobile than physical objects. However, with all of these advances to technology, I don't believe that robots will ever completely replace humans. I think that they will do a lot of helpful things, but I don't think, for example, the all robot hotel in Japan, I don't believe that it could ever replace humans like how the media might think. I think that robots on a smaller scale can do a lot of good for us. For example, here at my house, I can say, Alexa, please turn on the Christmas lights.
Okay.
And she turns on my Christmas lights. A lot of hotels are implementing small things like Google Homes, Echo Dots, things like that, that are they could be considered robots, but not necessarily needing to be um, such a physical representation of what we would imagine a robot to be. So I don't personally think that robots like Shahira here will ever fully replace humans because I think that guests need that one on one personal interaction to be there, which I don't think robots can ever replicate. but I am very interested to see where these robots and other AIs, artificial intelligence technologies, will take us in the hospitality industry in the future. So that's about all I have to say. Thank you for watching my video and thank you for coming to my website.